Hi everyone, welcome to Scrappittarius on YouTube. I have a pen pal letter for you today. This went out to my friend Lena. I made her a flipbook. Here's the envelope. There's some pattern paper and of course colorful India Post stamps. That's the back of the envelope. And the flipbook and some tea. I chose this shabby sheet palette, peach and a muted green. I love that lantern image. There's a tiny washi tape sample. Sorry, the word failed me. The tiny washi tape sample on the front, and then a couple of tags that I made, embellished with glitter bows. And at the top right there are a couple of stickers. There's a window, and then there are these gold hearts. Going in, the first spread has two vellum pockets. One is top loading and the other side loading. Okay, I'm adjusting my plants. Here, this ballerina image is actually a sticker. It's a card-sized sticker and some Monstera stickers and a washi sample. And that's that first page. Here I have a bunch of memo sheets for her and a floral die cut embellishment on the vellum pocket. That's crystal themed, and then there's a floral one. I've tried to stick to the peach pink theme with bits of green, and the idea behind the peach palette came from the envelope. I'd made another mail using this palette and Lena really liked it, but I've run out of that paper pad, the one you see on the envelope. So then this was the closest I had, and I like how the polka dots matched. Okay, moving on to the next page. It's a tiny envelope on the left, and here's a bunch of snail mail supplies. Some more memo sheets, doilies, stickers, and this here has stickers that I have fussy cut around. Also give her a bit of the gold trim, which I love, and I think she can use in her journaling. Made her tiny envelopes, yep, with my mini envelope punch. I love that one. So this glassine here, this is heavy duty baking paper, I think, parchment, so nothing sticks to it. Like, I cannot use any kind of glue on it, so I've just had to fold it in place, and those are the stickers that go in. Oops, I missed the envelopes. I was in a huge rush on this day. We were about to leave on a vacation very next morning, early next morning, and I wanted to carry these mails with me so I could at least post them while I was on vacation, and I was rushing. Okay, so that's my letter to Lena, and then I made a few lists. I think there's a favorite books, and then there are favorite YouTube channels, etc. And that's my these are my travel pictures that I'm sending to her with stories from the day. This was a day in Jaipur, in the city, and I like sharing travel photos and stories with my pen pals, especially after I have exchanged mail a few times with them. Okay, Lena, if you're watching, I hope you liked it. I love making this mail for you. And to everyone else joining today, thank you so much. Please stay tuned to my channel. There are quite a few videos in the pipeline. Thank you. Have a great week ahead. Bye bye.